here, 25 men and 20 women have entered a public speaking competition. The names of the contestants, right? The names of the contestants are put into a bag. Then it says a name is randomly drawn, and the contestant then delivers his or her speech. And then it says here, 3 speakers will speak. Calculate the probability that dash dash dash. So the thing is, if it's 3 speakers speaking, then it means our tree diagram is going to have 3 stages. This is what it's going to look like. So in the beginning, right, the other you're going to choose a man or a female. And then say they chose a female, right? I mean, say they chose a male, they can still either choose a male or a female. And then say they chose a man again, they can still either choose a man or a female. You see, that's just like one outcome. And then all these other ones also, you see, man, female. And then also here, you see, man or female. You get it?
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Male. There we go. So you now know that these are the outcomes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible outcomes. You see. So these 8 possible outcomes, you know, it's just like man, 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 wait, triple M. This is woman, and then man, man, woman, then M and M, W, M, and then woman, woman, man. And you see, it's easier to do it backwards, you see. Man, man, woman, and then woman, man, woman. Man, woman, woman. Woman, woman, woman. There you go. So these outcomes, a matter of multiplying out these probabilities, you see, once you put figures there. So we already know that the chances of choosing people, they go down, obviously. So in the beginning, how many people are there? There's 20 plus 25 people. That's 45 people in total. So of this 45, 25 are men, 20 are female. If you choose one man, there's 24 men left. Choose another man, there's 23 men left. The bottom also has to go down because one person is gone. See, one person less, one person less. So already we know that we can even just put all these ones here will be over 43 because I mean, like, you know, we actually don't need to put in all these probabilities. The whole point is we have to keep in mind that the numbers decrease. So depending on the questions they ask, we'll be able to then just fill in the values and then do the calculations. Do you see? Do you see it? Hello? Hello. And then Johnny. Are you still there? I cannot hear you. Do you get the idea though? Hello. Hello. And you are disconnected. But anyways, carrying on from here. So the first question here says, 3 speakers will speak. Calculate the probability that the first speaker is a man. So the scenarios where the first speaker is a man, we have 1, 2, and 3. Wait, what happened here? This is obviously a woman. Let me add that here. Let me see here. Come on, where's the green? Woman. So this is woman, blah, 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 woman. Yeah. So this 4 here, women starting. And then these 4 up here, it's all men starting. Right? So there are 4 scenarios where men is starting. So those 4 scenarios, we have to work out their probabilities and then add them up. So probability of the first one here, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this is here. Wow, we have to do a lot, huh? So the probability of choosing a man here is going to be 25 out of 45. And then once you choose a man, there's 44 people left. There's only 24 men left. Once you choose another one, there's only 43 people left, and there's 23 men left. And then for the women, okay, there's 44 people left, but all the women are still there. Here there are now 43 people left. But there's one less woman, so it's like 19 here. Here there are 43 people left, but obviously all the men are still there. No, one man is gone, so this is going to be 24. And here, yeah, we have all these probabilities here. It's going to be 25 over 45 times the 24 over the 44 times the 23 over the 43. We're going to add, what are we going to add? The next thing we're going to add is, let's see what we're going to add here. We're going to add this 25 over 45, and then there is 20 over 44, and then you have the 24 over 43. Ooh, wow, the other one is this times this. Wait, did I just, oh wow, bro, what is going on? Oh, I forgot this one. Ah, snap, I forgot this one. Whoops. Yeah, I should have given myself enough space. But here, let's see. Here there's about 43 people left, right? But all the women are still there. Yeah, so let's do that one. It's gonna be 25 over 45 times 24 over 44 times 20 over 43. This last one, 25 over 45, 20 over 44, 19 over 43. So we're going to add all these here together. And obviously you can see in our calculator, we have quite some work to do, you know. Let's see. What can we do here? That's what we can do. Let's see. So carrying on from here, what else can we do from here? So carrying on from here, what did I say now? So carrying on from here, we're going to add all these probabilities together. So we're going to have this, we add to this, we add to this, we add to the last one. See? So let's see what that is. So this is for the first question, right? So for the first question, let's put all this into the calculator because it's like quite a lot, yo. But anyways, yeah, this is actually the long drive doing it, like the proper long drive. So let me remove this because it's just too long for such a simple question. But anyways, you see with the probabilities that they, with what we had tried, we drew the tree diagram. You were there until we drew the tree diagram, right?
Yeah, after you only labeled like 20, is it 25 or 45? That's the only part that you labeled.
Yeah, but fortunately, we don't even have to label all of them. We actually don't even have to
Really?
label anything. We only have to label the ones we're gonna, you see. So when they're going to ask questions, then we can label what we want to use. But anyways, I had already overshot the runway when I was looking at the first question. So the first question says, we should calculate the probability that the first speaker is a man. So obviously in the beginning here, the probability that the first speaker is a man, it's just 25 out of 45, you see. Yeah, because I had I was laying out these three probabilities, but they were all just going to add up to 25 over 45 if we had done that way, which is unnecessary for such a straightforward question. The next one says we should calculate the probability that the first three speakers will be men followed by a woman. So probably the first three speakers will be a man followed by a woman. So the probability that the first three speakers will be a woman, followed by a man. Yes. So this is going to be here. We have to add a branch here, man, and then woman. You see. So for it to be first three people, man, and then a woman, the probability of that happening, let's just add the last probability here. There's 43 people. So here there'll be 42 people left. And then the women are still all there.
By the way, I have a quick question. You see, with the between the first man and the second man, the 24/44, right? Right, you took one out. Now my question is, why didn't you take out one of the women out? Is it because it's gonna become 43 instead of 44? And
No, all the
yeah.
women are there because when this is saying you chose a man, so all the women are still there. That's why if you were to choose a man here and choose a woman here the chance of choosing a woman is 20 out of 44. Because all the 20 women are there, but there's only 44 people involved. Here, 24 men are left out of a total of 44 people.
Wait, repeat what you said.
So what we're saying is the chances of choosing a man, right, in the beginning is 25 over 45. Because there's still all 25 men, then all 45. Once you choose a man, one is gone. So the chances of choosing a man again, there's only 24 left out of 4. Because one person is gone in total, but then one man is gone in total. Here, one person is gone in total, but then all the women are still there.
Okay, it's so simple. See, after I get that, I can do everything else now. Oh, thank you, thank you.
You are just welcome. You're just welcome. So this first question here, we'll have to take this times this times this, and then times the 20 over 42 here. Yeah, but then yeah, it's okay. That's how you would do it. And then the next one here says the first 3 speakers will be men. That's obviously gonna be this times this times this. And then at least one of the first 3 speakers is a man. So at least one of the first 3 speakers being a man, it means that you have to it's all these probabilities here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because all of them at least have a man in there. So you can just work out this probability and then remove it from 1. Because it's easier that way. You see?
Yeah. Yeah. I see it.
So that's that for this 2 types